Hello guys, welcome to LPS Lilypad here. It's Ray, back with another video. Today I'll be doing a DIY video of how to make miniature pencils for your LPS. So I made these. I made these off camera. So this is how they turn out. They turn out very perfect and great. I really love it. Importantly, what y'all need for this is a toothpick. And disclaimer for those young viewers out there that toothpicks are very sharp. They can poke you really easily, so have adult supervision. Safety first. Y'all need a yellow marker. The marker can be any size. I use skinny ones for this video. I highly recommend y'all using the skinny ones because they are really easy for you to color the toothpicks. Y'all need a pink marker, and y'all need a black marker. Y'all need a pencil. It can be any pencil. If y'all wondering why it's strange, I might tell you why in a bit, so keep watching. And optional for those people out there that's not perfect at breaking the toothpicks and all that, y'all need scissors. Like I said, it's optional. Like I mentioned before, like the toothpick incident, they're really sharp. They can cut you. Like if you slide your hand so hard on it, it'll give you a cut. So safety first for this one, adult supervision. What are y'all waiting for? Let's do the DIY. Okay, so I'm not doing a voiceover because I don't even know why. So first step is you grab out your toothpick, of course, and to those people that are not using scissors, you can just break them and just chill for a bit until I'm done. So grab out your scissors. To those scissor people out there, go in the middle. So hold your toothpick. I don't really know what to do because it might fly away. So cut them, probably gently, not too hard. They'll probably fly. Probably beat the up. Oh no! All right. Okay, I got it out from under my desk. Anyways, let's get back to the DIY. Y'all finished cutting the toothpick in half. The fun part is doing the coloring. Y'all probably pause the video while you're coloring your toothpicks, or you're just watching this before doing it, I don't know. But I hope you like my pencil that I did while I was time-lapsing. And as I promised, this pencil thing is for coloring the metal of the pencil. Y'all probably see a pencil in your life because a lot of y'all do because you'll go to school, I guess. So what you need to do is to color the metal parts. So let's begin the time-lapsing of me coloring. This is how it turned out. It turned out so great. I love it so much. Yeah. So let's do the bonus part here. So what am I gonna do with this plain old toothpick? Time lapse the whole thing. before I can end this video, please wash your hands with soap and water because there's a lot of color. If you can see on my camera, the quality is really weird. If you can see the yellow thingies. Please wash your hands. I'm just gonna wash my hands after the video. And dry your pencils that you just made for like a couple minutes, 5-6 minutes. And be patient. If you don't dry them, your LPS will get stained and that will not be good. And I guess that's it. So please subscribe to join the Frog Army and like and comment and hit